Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley.Lundy here at Guaranty RV, and today we are going to take a quick look at a recent arrival. This is a 2021 brand new sports coach. This is the 403 QS floor plan. One of my top favorites if you're looking for space, whether it's storage, whether it's inside, whether it's your bathroom, whether it's your bedroom. This one has it all. I'm excited to show it to you. We're going to go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, as we are going inside this sports coach here, you can see immediately Coachmen did a great job. Everything from the Asdale in their sidewalls, making it lighter, more insulated, protecting against water damage, to immediately you have huge windows, lots of light in here. And of course, right above our heads, you're going to have a power drop-down bunk. This right here allows us to have these theater seats right behind the driver's seat. These are power reclining and heated, but you're not losing the ability to have another bed in case you have people traveling with you or visitors that want to stay the night, since you have that power drop-down bunk up front. Across from your theater seats, they did a fantastic job. You're facing directly the TV for entertainment purposes. Your booth here is extremely large and wide and drops down into a bed. An adult might actually fit on this booth. And of course, we still have our sofa that is going to be near our fireplace. So this one, when you spin around the front seats, you have a very large living room area. So you can have plenty of visitors, or they can stay the night if you want. Further down, we have our kitchen. They did a great job here. You have a lot of counter space, power plug-ins, backsplash to protect your walls, nice induction cooktop, and huge farmhouse sink. They also save you space here by giving you a combination convection oven and microwave, so that gets you more storage. And that's right next to a very large residential refrigerator. Like I said, if you want space, this is a great model. Not only that large pass-through storage underneath on that Freightliner chassis, but huge living room area, huge kitchen, and of course even the bathroom. This one is all molded inside the shower, gives you a nice bench, easy to clean, plenty of space in there. And this is the double sink, pass-through bathroom, the Jack and Jill, I hear it called a lot. And then back in the bedroom, of course, plenty of storage, wardrobe space, walk around bed, and even you can wash and dry your clothes in here without having to go to the laundromat. This one has great features, all packed in a great package at a great price. Thank you so much for watching our walkthrough on this new sports coach 403 QS. Again, my name is Ashley.Lundy here at Guaranty RV, and I would love to answer any questions you have about this or any of our other models. Please feel free to stop on by and ask for me, or you are more than welcome to call or text me on my direct line anytime at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching.